Everybody is looking for a quiet laundry room. But sometimes, your Kenmore washer has other ideas. Here's why that agitator might be making such a racket. First, let's talk about what the agitator does. It's the part in the middle of your washer drum that twists back and forth, moving your clothes around for a deep clean. But if you're hearing grinding, banging, or rattling, something could be wrong. Most often, noise comes from worn-out agitator dogs. Those are tiny plastic gears inside the agitator. When they wear down, you'll hear clicking or grinding. Another culprit? Loose or broken bolts under the agitator. That can make banging or thumping sounds. Don't forget about coins, buttons, or other objects stuck underneath or around the agitator. Even a small item can make a big noise. If your washer is overloaded, the agitator has to work harder, leading to extra noise too. Try smaller loads and see if the sound goes away. If you check these things and your washer is still noisy, it might be time to call a pro. Remember, never try to fix electrical parts unless you're sure it's safe. So next time your Kenmore washer gets loud, you'll know what to check. Happy washing.